How to redeem McDonald's gift cards in app. Let's get started. Launch your McDonald's app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. First, you have to make your order. So go ahead and click on the option of order. Now from here, you can explore the menu and select the items that you want to order. Then you can check out. And in this page, you're going to find all of the items that you have ordered. Now I can click on next. Now how do you like to collect your meal? Select it. Then click on add to order. Click on yes. Confirm and pay. In this page, you will find the location of restaurant, likewise pickup location. And over here, you will find the option of choose your payment method. Click on that option. With that, you will find different payment options. You might also find the option of gift card over here. This option differs from region to region. If the gift card option is available in your region, you can come to this page and then select the payment method as a gift card, and that way your gift card can be redeemed. But at the moment, this option is not available within all the apps and all the region. So until then, you can wait. But for the people who can find this option within the app, you just have to click on the option of gift card and use it. So this is how you can easily redeem McDonald's gift cards in app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.